Hey everybody, this is Angel from the Managed Services team here at Planet, and I'm here to bring you this week's Play of the Week. I've got some great news for our M365 customers worldwide spanning all commercial and government tenants. Microsoft has now announced an exciting new feature coming soon to Microsoft Teams with new live transcriptions on Teams rooms for Windows devices. With this new capability, users can control live transcriptions directly from a Teams Rooms device during meetings. Whether it's starting, stopping, or restarting the transcript will display in real time, showing each speaker's name and timestamp, making it easier to follow along. Additionally, you'll be able to adjust settings, including spoken and translated language, whether both the original and translated transcripts are shown side by side. These new features will be available with Teams Rooms Pro licensing and is scheduled for release this December 2024. This will roll out across worldwide commercial DoD, GCC High, and GCC environments. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Play of the Week, and as always, let us or your IT staff know if you have any questions. Thanks again, and have a great week.